Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing a Target haul. So anyways, let's start. I have a couple of bags here from Target. It's simple wipes right here. I normally get them at BJ's, but since when I went there and it was just so packed, and then I was just like, no, I'm just gonna go home, and probably next week or like next 2 weeks I'll just restock on my wipes. But I got this wipes, and I also restock on the L'Oreal micellar cleansing water. I normally get the Garnier one, but then I kind of like this, so I restock on this as well. And then next one is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer, and this is the with sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 plus, so that's that. And then next one is Biore, I don't know how to pronounce this. So this is the original deep cleansing pore strips right here. And then we got the next one is this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. I saw this on the clearance aisle, and then I'm just like curious about it, so I can't wait to try this one, because I normally buy the Mario Badescu, but I still have like a little bit left. And then this is vegan formula. I'm just like, I'm gonna try it. If it's good, I'll let you guys know. Next one is, oh, this is the Fujifilm Insta Mini Mix. This is in rainbow, because we're going on a cruise soon, and I want to take like pictures on my Insta Max Mini 9, I'm sorry, this one. And I'm almost I think I have like one more like 10 set of film left, and I want to just restock just in case if I run out of it. So that's that. I believe this is like $14. Next one is this sock. Is this a ultra low liner socks for like my Vans slip-on shoes, and also like my work shoes. So I needed this. It's 2 sets. I think this is like $5 something. All right, next one here is, okay, so this was on sale. This Revlon, I believe this is a foundation, and as you can see, it's like on clearance right there. I think it's, the original price was $10.99, and I only got it for $3.28. I don't know if you guys can see right there, it's clearance. And then I got the shade 350. It's natural tan. Next one is, this is on sale as well. This is on clearance for $4.78, and the original price is $15.99. This is the Physicians Formula All Night Ultra Rich Restorative Cream. Right there. And yeah, that's kind of like a good deal actually. And I restock again on my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. I really like this as well, you guys. There. And then Colgate Mini, because like I said, we're traveling soon, and this is really good, so we don't have to bring like the big Colgate. Next one is this Wet Ones fragrance free restock. Okay, on my second bag I got a wipes, and I got 3 of these wipes. These Huggies wipes. This is the Natural Care Huggies wipes. I really like this, you guys. I even recommend this to my client and my patient. This is really good for if you have like sensitive skin down there. I really like this because I have a sensitive kitty down there, so I highly recommend this one instead of just using a tissue if you're going to the bathroom. This is really actually good, and I don't have this if I'm like using like a small bag. I have the I forgot the brand, like those like wipes as well. What's the brand of this? I forgot, but I'll let you guys know in like in the screen. I'll put like the product on the screen. But if I'm using like a big bag, if I'm going to work, I normally have this one as well. So these are the Huggies Natural Wipes. And I also got a new book. This is The Sun and Her Flowers right there. And I believe this was 16 bucks. Yeah, it was $16.99. This is a poetry book, and I'm just gonna show you guys the rest of the book that I also purchased at Target. And I'm already like done reading this. This is the Milk and Honey, and this one. So I got like, I actually have one more. I don't know where I put it. I think it's in my work bag. But these are the books. I really like reading poetry books, so I'm kind of into it. I think that's that for books. I also got this Clorox disinfectant wipes, you guys. I like using this, especially if I'm filming, and then if my table gets dirty, I like to use the Clorox disinfectant wipes. And last but not the least from Target is this Glade spray. I like this to spray all over in like my studio room. I like that lavender scent. I forgot to mention, I also got this at Target actually. I think like a month or two ago, I started taking this Olly Glowing Skin. The brand is from Olly, and then it's Glowing Skin. And I actually also have the Goodbye Stress, and I have the melatonin one for like sleeping. I always take that before I go to sleep, so I can like you know, sleep good and then sleep quick, because I normally after work I'm tired at work, and then if I go home, like I'm, you know, like scrolling on my phone, and it's hard for me to go back to sleep. So once I take 2 of those gummies, it will like knock me out after like maybe like 30 minutes to like 20 to 25 to 30 minutes. It will like knock me out. But yeah, I'm almost done taking this stress one, the Goodbye Stress and the Glowing Skin right here. And like I said, I think in a previous vlog or something, I also mentioned that I got the Neocell Super Collagen C. Oh yeah, I featured it on my what's in my work bag. If you haven't seen that, please watch it. So I believe that's it for Target, you guys. But I'm just gonna insert this stuff that I got from Marshall's. I also stopped by there after Target, and I just got these bags. It's a cosmetic bag right here. I'm gonna put all like my makeup here, because like I said, we're traveling soon, and I've been trying to find my bag like this. It's like in a watermelon. I got it at Forever 21, and I can't find it anywhere, but I got it for like $6.99 at Marshall's right there. And then I also got loofah right here, and this is $3.99. Yeah, $3.99. And then last but not the least is a tech accessory organizer. So basically you can put like your charger, like my laptop charger, like my phone charger, my power bank charger, like my battery from my camera, because like I said, we're traveling soon, and I can't I'm trying to pack after this after I film. But anyway you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.